Hello everyone. So today in this session, we are going to create a chatbot. Yes, a chatbot in the Sprite Lab. So let me show you what we are going to create today. Here we have our chatbot, which we have created in your own Sprite Lab. So let me show you how does it works. Click on the bot to get started. Hi there, my name is Chatbot 700. Looks like Jamspot 700. You can give it your own name. What is your name? So my name is Richa. I click on enter. Nice to meet you, Richa. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy, excited, or curious. I'm feeling curious how this game is going to be, how we are going to create this chatbot. So, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. Oh, wow, the background changes to pink. Cool, Richa. What is your favorite ice cream? I like chocolate most. So, my favorite flavor is chocolate. Wow, I get a chocolate from the bot. And what is your favorite number? My favorite number is 5. 55. Okay, 55. Oh, 55 stars. That's all for now. Bye, Richa. Yes, so this is what we are going to create today. So let's get started. Let's create a new Sprite Lab project. Okay, so create a new Sprite Lab project. You can actually create your own chatbot, your own series of questions. So the new learnings that we will have in this session are how to take input from the user, store it in a variable and use it later on. Some part you already know would be a sort of revision, while few will be new learnings for you guys. So, okay, when run, what do I want? I want to give a message. What is the message? Print. Oh, no. Click on the bot to get it started. So we have this click on the bot to get us started. Let's create a bot now. Set a background. You can pick up any background of your likings. I am also picking one. Pick a background and then create a bot sprite. So let's create a bot sprite. It could be any sprite of your choice. You can pick any of the bot as per your likings. Okay, so let's create a bot. Okay, what do we want next? We want next, as soon as the player or the user is clicking on the bot should start talking. It should start asking you question and responding to them. So I think before that, I will resize this bot a little bit. It seems to be a little smaller to me. So I will resize it. Let's resize it to, say, for example, 200. Yes, good enough. 200 is good enough. Next, we want, as soon as the user clicks on the bot, the click should start asking some of the question. First, it should introduce and then start asking the questions. So what do we do if we want to implement when I click on the bot? When I click on the bot, it means we will have to take the event. Which event? Go to event when this is clicked. What is clicked? When bot is clicked. What do we want? When bot is clicked, bot should introduce itself first. So it will introduce, it will say hello. So go and take this. When bot is clicked, bot says, hi there. My name is, you can give it any name, Robo 750. What is your name? Okay. So the robot is saying what is your name, but there has to be an option for the user to enter the name. And we should also have a way to store the name so that we can use it later on. So what do we do? Go to Word. Here you will see these prompt user variables. Prompt user for variables. What does it mean? Prompt user means prompt a question to the user. The answer will be stored in this variable. So let's see how do we use it. Prompt user, what is your name? Okay, so the answer that the user will enter will be taken in a variable which we define here now. So I will be renaming this variable to say name. Okay, so what will happen? Whatever the answer user gives will be stored in this variable name. So let me run it and see this much if it is working fine or not. Click on the bot. I clicked on the bot. So do you see when I use this prompt user block, what happens? It has created a block for me in which I can enter the name, or user can enter any name. It could be any free flow text. So I will be entering my name. And when you are done, click on this tick sign. So it means the value has actually been stored inside a variable name. Okay, fine. But how do we record that the answer has been recorded or the user has actually responded? So for this also you go to events and take this event. When a variable is answered, what is this variable in our case? In our case, it is name. So when name is answered, what do we want? When name is answered, we want the robot should greet you with your name and ask the next question. So the robot greets with the name. We will again use the say command. Says, okay, so here we will use the connector. Why we will use the connector? Because we want to concatenate a text with the variable name here. So I don't want this. I will rather go to text and will take this connector box. Okay, so here, hello, and it will followed by the name. So for name again, I will go to variable, but again, I will take this connector box. Hello, name, whatever name has been entered by the user. Hello, name. Again, we want to conclude with some other sentence or some other statement. So go to text. Now we can take this closed block because we don't want any other block to be connected. So hello, name. How are you feeling today? This could be my next question. How are you feeling today? So let's reset, run and test it first. What is your name? Hi there, my name is Robo750. What is your name? My name is Richa. I click on enter. So the robot is actually greeting me now. Hello Richa, how are you feeling today? So when the robot is asking, how are you feeling today? Again, it is asking a question for which the user is supposed to respond. So here we will see how do we use a prompt function or the prompt command, which will provide some options to the user. So let's go to Word and do you see the second prompt option? We can use this second prompt option. What does the second prompt option do and how it is different from this first prompt option? So in first prompt option, there will be a question which is there in this green block. What is your name? Similarly, here also there is this box where you can put up your question. So here I will be putting up the question, how are you feeling today? Okay, now we will have to store it in a variable. So again, click on this triangle, rename this variable. So feeling, you can give it any name. I'm naming it as feeling. So here, instead of the user entering a value, what was happening here? The user actually enters a value, which is stored in a variable name. Here, the user will not be able to enter a value. Rather, some choices are given to the user from which it can select. So we can give the choices like, are you feeling happy? Or are you feeling excited? Or are you feeling curious? Okay, so these are the three options that will be coming to the user to select from. So let me reset, run and show it to you. What is your name? My name is Richa Jain. I click on enter. How are you feeling today? So do you see these three options have coming up and any option could be picked up. The option that will be selected by the user, its value will be stored in the variable feeling. Okay, the value will be stored in the variable feeling. So I'm saying I'm feeling happy today. So as soon as I answered, this box has gone away. And what we will have to do? We will again have to put up an event that will say what should happen when this feelings is answered. So we will again go to events and we will take this when feeling is answered. What is answered? When feeling is answered. So what do we want? When feeling is answered, okay, so the user is feeling happy or excited or curious today, robot has to respond to it, okay? So the robot says, what can the robot say? This is your robot. You need to design. So you can decide what the robot will say. My robot is going to say, okay, something like this. Say, for example, if I have entered my name Richa, it should say, okay, Richa, I am also feeling, and if, for example, I choose happy, I am feeling happy. Okay, Richa, I am also feeling happy today. So we will be using two variables here, name, which was entered in the first prompt, then feeling, which was entered in the second prompt here. We will combine both of them and will prepare a phrase that my robot is going to say now. So hello, Richa. I think that's okay. I will remove this. Hello, Richa. And again, I go to text and I take this connector box and will say, I am also feeling. Now here, after I am also feeling, I want to give the same feeling as user has chosen. Okay, so if happy is chosen, I want her to be put up happy. If excited is chosen, I want here to be put up excited. And if curious is chosen, I want her curious to be put on. But if we want to do it this way, what we will have to do? Simple. We will have to use variable feelings. Why? Because feeling stores all the feelings, all the three feelings, whichever is selected by the user. So I will go to again variables and I will take this connector. Why this connector? Because after this, I also want to put up today. So go to text and now my sentence could be closed. You know, a full stop sort of. So I can pick this one. So hello, name. I'm also feeling whatever is feeling today. Okay, so let me reset, run it and show it to you. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling excited. So, hello RJ, I'm also feeling excited today. Do you see there is no space between excited and today? So what I will do, I will go here and I will put up a space and then write today. So that should fix this problem. Fine. What is the next question? Next question, the robot is asking, what is your favorite color? And when it asks, what is your favorite color? What should happen? The background color changes automatically to whatever color is user's favorite. Isn't it amazing? So the background color changes automatically to whatever is user's favorite color. So first let's ask this question. We will use this prompt only because the color could be any color. There are so many colors and user can enter any color. So we will just ask, what is your favorite color? And we will store this value. We will store this value in another new variable. Rename this variable. No, sorry, not all. Rename this variable we should use. Otherwise, it will rename the previous name variable also. We don't want that, okay? So, rename this variable color to color. I have renamed this variable to color. What should happen next when my color is answered? We will do it later. First, let's test this much. What is your name? My name is Richa. I click on enter. Hello, Richa. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling curious. Hello, Richa. I'm also feeling curious today. This robot is so copycatter. What is your color code? I put red. Okay, so it is taking red. What next? When red has been entered, means the color has been entered, my background should change automatically. Go to events and take this event. When color answered. What is answered? Color answered. So when color is answered, we want the background to change automatically. Let's go to bird and change the background. The background color to not this one. We will change the background color to whatever color user is entering to it. Okay. So again, go to variable and pick this variable color. So let's see if it is working or not first. Is my background color changing automatically to any color I enter? What is your name? My name is Richa. Okay, very good. How are you feeling? I'm feeling very happy today. Robert is also feeling happy. What is your color? Blue. Let's see if it is changing the background or not. Yes, it changed the background. So what next? Next, the robot is going to ask, what is your favorite number? That also we will take in a variable. So it should be just simple. We don't need this one. So I will probably copy this one, make a copy of this one. Okay, let's go to text. Do it afresh. Sometime doing afresh is better than copy paste all the time. So it says, what is your favorite number? What is your favorite number? It is asking this question, but this question needs to be prompted so that the user can enter the value. So we will again go to Word and we will take this prompt user. Favorite color, or like this, my favorite color is, the user will enter and we will take it into, favorite color is already done. Yes, favorite color is already done. So it should be, let's change this text. Favorite color is already done. It should be now favorite number. So your favorite number. Your favorite number is whatever is the favorite number. But we will have to rename this variable to any variable where we want to store the favorite number. So I have renamed it to num. Now what next? When number is answered. So understand, it is a sequence of events. When one event completed, another is started. This completed, next is started. So we need to capture each and every event and build chatbot on that. So prompt user for variable number. When number is answered, what do we want to do? Again, go to events and take this. When number answered. So what do we want? When number is answered, we want these many number of stars to appear. So we will again go to costumes. First, we will take a star sprite. Okay. So when number is answered, we want these many stars to appear on the screen. So we will go here and we will take this. Create burst effect with how many of this sprite? Num sprite. So again, we will go to variables, num stars. Okay. And maybe now the robot may want to say goodbye, we are done, something like this. So we will again put up this, say it is our chatbot. So it is saying a lot. It is a chatterbox. So I need a connector. So I will go to text and I will take this one. Here are variables, again a connector block, these many, again go to text. Now we can take the closed one. Stars for you. Have a good day. You can put up any message you want. Have a good day. And we also want this robot to take a little bit motion. A lot of talking now. It is now taking some motion. So we will go to behaviors and we will give a behavior to our robot. Go to behaviors and we can take maybe rendering this behavior. So let's run it and see it. Run. What is your name? Let me change the name. All the time I'm giving Richa only. So my name is Ritvi. Click. Hello Ritvi, how are you feeling today? Ritvi is very curious. She asked me so many questions. So hello Ritvi, I'm also feeling curious today. It is a copycatter. So what is your favorite color? We will have to correct it. It is asking what is your color. So correct it. Pink. What is your favorite number? 7. So many stars and have a good day. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed programming a chatbot with me. So stay tuned for the next session. See you soon. Bye-bye.